welcome to our video. Excuse me as I get my camera ready there. There we go. All right, so this is Hannah from the Doodlebug in Jasper, Indiana. So excited today to show you one of the newest Graphic 45 collector's editions. So the line I'm going to be showing you today is Steampunk Spells. And this is an oldie but definitely a goodie because they brought it back. So Steampunk Spells was a line, a regular line years and years ago, and as you know, what Graphic 45 loves to do is if they get enough requests and enough people, please, oh please, bring this line back, they bring it back not the way it was. They bring it back just like this. So this is the kit that you would want to get. And it's called a Deluxe Collector's Edition. And everything is kind of crammed into this one kit. So there's no buying it a la carte this time around. But if you loved it, you are hoarding it, or you have seen stuff with it and you wish you would have picked up more of it back when it was available, this is what you're going to want to get. So we've got it in the 12x12 Collector's Edition. I'm going to open it up. This is exactly how your kit is going to come to you. So you can see it's not quite primary colors, but really, I mean, they are nice and bright colors. And again, Graphic 45 has switched how they do their kits. They no longer have that gummed tab line up there that we did not like, because whenever you would go through and try and tear your papers out, you ended up ripping them a lot of times. So anyway, there's all going to be loose now, which I love. As a store owner, I truly appreciate that. So here's what we're going to get. So you've got this nice sturdy piece, just plain white on the top. And then we've got this beautiful one. So you've probably heard me talk before, even in the store or other videos, about kind of doing that. I don't know what to even call it other than like a decoupage page, where you take a couple of these and you start to fussy cut all this stuff and you can build it up. So this is a really fun one for that. Otherwise, this is a great cut apart page, or just a great, I'm going to put a picture here and maybe here. I'm going to put something up here. So this is a really fun page to do with that. In the kit, you're going to get 2 of these sheets, and then so you can see, and then there's the back of that one. So it's got the really great little cogs, and it's a really pretty teal color. So there is Steampunk Spells, and that's what this one is actually called. But again, remember, I don't have these open stock. They're not available open stock. That's just the name of this particular paper. Then we've got Fanciful Floral, front and back. This one here is called Clockworks. What a beautiful masculine page that is. That's so pretty. This one here is called Vintage Voyage. So these are all great as cut aparts. You could do a really fun kind of quad page with this as well too. And then the backs. So if I turn it, or try and get it so you can see exactly. So this, and you can see the backs. Maybe the backs there, that one there, and then our backs here. So really fun line there. Starla, she has one pulled for you. All right, these will go quick, my friends, so make sure you jump on this one for sure. This one here is called Mechanical Marvels. It's kind of nice having Kaylin in here today while I'm shooting these, because she can pull as we're doing them. That's nice. Usually I gotta go all, rogue on my own and just hope nobody comes in. So look at this one. Do you see those little corsets with the wings? I love that. What a fun piece of paper this is. So as you're seeing, some of these are very steampunkish. Some of them are kind of Halloween-ish because, steampunk spells, but you would not have to use it all for Halloween by any means. Like you could just do it as purely steampunk. There's the back of that one. This one here is called TikTok. Just a good, fun print on the back. This one is called Witching Hour. Pull that one up so you guys can see it a little better. Oh, what a fun one this one is. Something wicked this way comes. Double, double, toil and trouble. Fire, burn, and cauldron bubble. Very, very cool. Eye of newt and toe of frog. Wool of bat and tongue of dog. Love some good Shakespeare. All right, hot air balloons on this one. Whew. Okay, that one makes your eyeballs hurt just a little bit, but whenever you put something else on it, whew, that calms it down so much. So yeah, that one hurt just a little bit. How fun are these characters? So we've been seeing these kind of through some of the other ones, but here they are a little bit more close up. So Mr. Seymour Bones, Dr. Dreadful. Oh, look at that one. Isn't she cool? Miss I'm Afraid. These are so cute. When black cats prowl and pumpkins gleam, may luck be yours this Halloween. So a great cut apart page here once again, and then just a good black and cream dot on the back. Next one, we've got these good little steampunk black cats and some black and cream cogs on the back. Good owl print here, says Totally Wicked. And then just a good little moon and stars on the back side. So there's all the papers you get. Then these, as I'm flipping them over, these are the embellishments they brought back. So you're going to get 2 sticker sheets in the pack. And again, I want to show you how great of a job Graphic 45 does with the detail on their stickers. Do you see, as I'm pulling that up ever so slightly, I want to put that back in nice for whoever gets this one, that they are just laser cut so well. All right, whoever gets this pack, I'm going to take that little piece out so it doesn't take the sticky off. So you can see how great they cut those in. There we go. All right, perfect. I'm going to do another one here for you so you can see. So this one here has great little, but hold on, there's more. There's eyelets in here, guys. So when you pop those out, there are little eyelets in there as well. So much attention to detail on the stickers, and they're a good cut sticker. I can feel the cut on the back side. So you know you've got a good cut on these, okay? So that's the one sticker sheet. Here's your other sticker sheet. It's got great borders. You know there's going to be good detail on those borders. Look at that. Look how little that border is too. These are awesome. So you've got good little border stickers here. You've got photo corners, little cogs. A lot of these have little holes in them to make them tags if you want to. Just good sticker sheets in here. So that's the second sticker sheet that you get. And then this one here is your chipboard. Remember, their chipboard is not sticky on the back, but to me, that's not a problem. Anytime I get chipboard from a company that is stickered, I always add my own glue. I truly find that whatever adhesive they're putting on the back in the factory, it's not heavy enough, so I add my own anyway. So then you've got your chipboard pieces here, all kinds of little buttons and circles. And then I pulled this out to show you guys. Now, sadly, we made this years ago with a 8x8 book. They did not bring the 8x8s back, but you could still work this to where it would be really cute with the 12x12. So this was just a little mini book that we made. You know, again, you can see this could definitely all be 12x12 paper. And what we did is we just created little pockets in here. I know this is such a fun one. And then we used the big tags that Graphic 45 has as little pullouts, the small tags as pullouts, and those little ephemera and journaling type cards as pullouts as well here too. So I have had people ask over the years, I don't know how many times, if they could buy this. or if they could have it. They always ask if they can have it. Can I have this? No, you cannot have it. And then I have shot some people some numbers, but they didn't want to pay even what it was, you know, I had in product on it. And I'm glad I saved it because they brought the line back. So we've got a cute little sample to stick out with it as well. Just kind of taking you through how cute this is. Oh, here's one that's fallen out, because again, this is years old. So just to kind of give you a little idea, you've got a little signature in here that we just glued in. Okay, and it's almost like it's a wrap around then for these little pieces. They're just folded in half, not glued. Another one folded up, not glued, and then just kind of stuck together. These are just, you know, fun little, almost like suspender bands to hold them together. Glue and glue. Open all the way to the bottom though. So just running your glue here. Very fun. This can fit in there. This can go back in here. And then we'll put some new glue on there. And also what happens a lot of times with our store samples is people like to see how we put them together. So they take it upon themselves to peel them apart. And then that would just go right back in there like so. Okay, so just a fun little idea book or little inspiration book for you guys there too. So all right, everybody, well, I am Hannah from the Doodlebug in Jasper, Indiana, and we just went through the new Collector's Deluxe Edition for Steampunk Spells. This is one of the lines that Graphic 45 has brought back. What do they always say? Brought back from the vault. It is back from the vault, so snag it while you can before it is definitely gone for good this time. So you can look us up online at www.thedoodlebuginc.com. You can comment here on this video, and if you're watching this on YouTube, then you can also, if the link is still good underneath the video, you can order it that way as well. Thank you so much, everybody. You have a great rest of your day, and until next time, make it crafty, my friends.